Hello and welcome back guys in my Python programming A to Z course. In this lecture, we will learn about what is automation process. As per Bill Gates' quote, automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the inefficiency. Let's see what we are going to learn in this course. You're going to learn today about what is automation, examples of automation, some advantages of automation, and there will be assessment at the end of this section. For example, about the automation, if we see like that in routine life, when you pay your bills with the scheduled payments and self-check on grocery store, in morning when you just are gonna wake up, set coffee machines to start brewing whenever you get out of the bed. Traffic lights routine we see on daily lives, those are the red, yellow and green signals, which are the example of the automation. We also familiar with the ATM machine processes for the deductions and deposit in your account is another example of automation process. If we see the advanced examples of the automation, then self-driving cars and robotics are the examples of the automated process of driving and robotics movement and their actions. And there are a lot of many more examples for this automation process. So what is the automation definition? The process of replacing manual steps with that happens automatically. So here if we see the example like that, the automation is the solution for every situation. No, not necessarily. There are a lot of things which we cannot automate. We have already seen like that there are examples of the automation, but also there are available few examples for the non-automation as well. There are some processes on somehow which cannot fully automated. Like wherever, if the involvement of the degree of creativity. So here the human brain schema, there is another concept of the machine learning which are working on it through the neural networks, but again, the degree of creativity already missing. And we can say like that the degree of creativity and the flexibility that automated systems cannot provide are more complicated or less frequently executed tasks. Creating the automation may actually be more effort or cost that it's not worth. Think about when you get a haircut. What would it take to automate the actions of cutting hair with a machine? The client's height, the shape of their head, their current hair length, and desired hairstyle would all need to be taken into account when designing the automatic system. We need to replicate the creativity and skills of a trained specialist along with extensive testing to ensure the client's safety and quality haircut. And if you have ever had a bad experience at a hair salon, you know quality can be subjective. So in this case, the cost and effort of automation just is not worth the benefit of an automatic haircut would provide, which is why we don't have robot hairstylists. Not too complex, right? So if we see the automation is powerful tool when used in the right place at the right time. So what are the benefits? It can save time and reduce the errors, increase the consistency, and provide a way to centralize solutions and mistakes, making them easier to fix. So here in all this course, you will see some examples of the process automation using the Python language. I hope you guys enjoy the lecture. Thank you. I'll be back with next lecture. Bye for now.